Subscribe Shubham Raj Singh and Co YouTube channel and press that bell icon and never miss an update. Hello 7.8 billion people of this beautiful planet Earth. How you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Shubham Raj Singh and Co. Today we're going to learn about setting tab on WordPress dashboard. So we have gone through all the tabs and the one is left, that is settings tab. So we will be saying that in this video. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So you have to log in into your dashboard. So we have already logged in into our dashboard with the admin user. So make sure to log in as an admin. Okay. So if you have not watched the video of making this website, I will be giving a link over here. Go there, watch that video to create your first website on the internet. Okay. So yeah. So for this video, we'll be talking all about settings. What exactly setting is. So we can see here that we do have general, writing, reading, discussion, media, permalinks, privacy, all in the settings. So let's get started. So we will click on settings, and right now we are into just an advertisement. So I'm getting the advertisement on my dashboard because I'm using the free web hosting of 00 web host. You may not be seeing that advertisement, so not a problem for you. Okay, so it's only for showing you the thing and each and every process, web host, and uh, domain name is from Freenom, which we earlier acquired. So if you have not watched that video of acquisition of the custom domain name, make sure to watch that video. I will be giving a link over here, so go there and watch that video. Okay, and after that you can also see how you can configure the custom domain and the previous web hosting. So I will be also giving a information tab over here, so go that video as well, watch that video as well. Okay, yeah. So back to settings. So the first tab in the setting is general setting. Basically general setting is all about your website, like site title. What is the site title of your website? That is Shubham, for in this case that is Shubham Raj Singh Co. Okay, this is site title. So if you have not added, for example, like if you can say, this is our website right now, the website which we created earlier. So as you see that we have uploaded a logo on it, that's why, and we have disabled the site title, that's why it is not showing the site title. However, if I enable the site title as well by going to customize and just enabling it, you can able to see the site title over here. Same with the tagline also. So tagline is basically a kind of a very small sentence which actually gives what we can say, a glimpse of what actually your business is all about. So it's a tagline. Okay, the next one is WordPress address, that is URL. So you can see that the WordPress URL is this. It's a default on which the WordPress is installed. That's why we are saying this. However, we can also visit shubhamrajsinghco.tk and this website will be loaded. Okay, site address is the same. Enter the address here if you want your site homepage to be different from your WordPress. When you change addresses, make sure to do it properly, otherwise you will be like going to face a very huge problem. Because I remember that once I changed the site address, just change the https with http with https, and my site broke. So make sure to watch that or make sure to do it properly. The administration email address is the email address which you use for creating admin. Why is this thing? Don't send me email on this, I'm not seeing it. So membership anyone can register, you can do it. What a new user will be, it will be a subscriber, author, contributor, administrator, you can do it. Okay, so what is the site language? You can choose. Currently it's English United Kingdom. You can choose United States, and you can do it. Okay, the time zone is London, but we live in India, so let's do it to India. Where is India? Just a second. Okay. Maybe it's Kolkata. Okay, so it's this name of the city. It's Kolkata. So we have chosen Kolkata. Date format. You can choose the date format. Currently it is 27 November 2020. You can choose anything which you want. Time format. You can choose a time format. You can set when the week starts on, because most probably someone consider week start on Sunday, someone consider it starts on Monday. Okay, and you can just click on save changes and the setting will be saved. Setting saved. Okay, okay, so we are done with general tab, so let's go with the writing tab. So okay, this advertisement is going to take my life. Okay, whatever. So writing setting, so default post category. Okay, basically default post category will suppose if you are writing an article, a post, and if you have not selected any category for it, they will be set as default, and the set default is uncategorized. Okay, you can change it, but it is always advisable to keep it as it is. Okay, so default post format. Okay, so the post format you want for the articles you can choose, but it is recommended to uh, keep it as default only, don't change it. Post via email. Okay, this is not a new thing, but I generally don't use it because there is not any need to use this feature. So basically what it does is it will post your uh, post via email. Okay, to post to WordPress website or WordPress by email, you must set up a secret email account with POP3 access, and any email received at this address will be posted. Okay, so it's a good idea to keep this address very secret. It has a 3 random setting you need to use. So basically it will give you, you have to set up a email id, and whenever you send some email to that particular, what we can say it, email id, email account, that email will be posted. Okay, so you have to enter mail server, port number, your email id, your password, the default mail category, and that's it. Update service. When you publish a new post, WordPress automatically notifies the following site update service. For more works on the codex, separate multiple service URL with the line breaks. Okay, this is update services when you post via email. Okay, so there's nothing much in writing tab. Let's go into reading tab. Oh yeah, this advertisement is taking my life again. Okay, blog page show at most. You can choose it, the most, how much blog you want to see. Okay, at most is like the maximum number of posts you want to see on the blog page. So it is currently set to 10. I will leave it as 10. Syndication feeds show the most recent, so you can choose any number. So this is set to default. So I usually don't change the setting. Okay, for each post in a feed include full text summary. Okay, so basically as I may describe this before, that suppose that an article is of like maybe 500 words, and do you want to show all 500 words on the blog page, or if do you want to just what we can say, give a only summary like a small para, the above para of your article on the blog page. So you can do it, but most probably I will select summary rather than full text. Okay, and your theme also decide how it going to look. Your theme determines how content is displayed. Yeah, exactly. Your theme only like will decide how your uh, articles on blog page will look. So make sure to check with your theme as well. So search engine visibility. So basically search engine visibility is all about do you want your website to get indexed on search engines like Google, Bing. Okay. So if you don't want, just click this, check this box. Discourage search engine from indexing this site. It is up to search engines to honor this request. Okay. It's basically a de-indexing thing. So it's always advisable to go for SEO thing. Don't check this box and kill your chances to get rank on WordPress on search engines and get some free traffic. So I highly discourage you to check on discourage search engine box. So that's all about rating setting. Let's go to discussion. So okay. So discussion is default post setting. So what are the default? Attempt to notify any block link to from the post, allow link notification from other blog, ping back and trace back on new post, allow people to submit comments on new post. This setting may be overwritten for individual post. So basically when you create a new post, uh, people can comment on that post, but you do have a what we can say privilege to reject, accept, or mark it as spam or move it to trash. Okay, so don't worry that it will be someone put some strange comment and it will be shown directly on your website. No, it is not. It will not show until you approve it to show on your website. The comment setting, comment author must fill out name and email. Yeah, you want whoever want to comment on your website, they must have to put out their name and email. Okay, user must be registered and logged into. You can go one step forward and you click on it. So user have to actually the user which is about to comment have to make his account, his or her account on your website. Automatically close comment on post older than 14 days. Okay, so you can use this function also. Like this is the custom days you can choose, like 15 days, 14 days. Show comments cookie opt-in checkbox, allowing comment author cookies to be set. You can choose this also. Enable threaded nested comments level day. Okay, so basically, suppose a person you may be heard of, you may seen of YouTube, like when one comment is there and someone replied to that comment, so probably you will see just one thread below that main comment. So you can see here the 5 comment between the below the main comment. Okay, so you can choose up here. Break comments into pages with 50 top level comment per page. The last page, first page displayed by default. You can do that also. Comment should be displayed with the older comments at the top. You can choose which one to show first, maybe older one, maybe newer one. Okay, this is all about your thinking and your decision. Email me whenever anyone posts a comment. A comment is held for moderation. Okay, so mostly all comment will be held for moderation only. If you don't approve it, it will not going on your website. Before a comment appears, comment must be manually approved. Comment author must have a previously approved comment here. Okay, so that's the condition. Comment moderation: hold a comment in a queue if it contains 2 or more links. So basically most people do spam in the comment section with their website address, but as they don't know that comment backlinks are dead in 2020, and they are just following what donkeys are following. So don't do it. Okay. So don't like spam in the comment section. They will not give you a backlink. Disallowed comment keys. When a comment contains any of these keyword, author, name, URL, user agent, put in bin. Okay, so you can do it like you can enter the keywords which you wanted to blacklisted and it will automatically send to bin or trash. Avatars. An avatar is an image that follow you from weblog to weblog link beside your name when you comment on avatar. Okay, so basically avatar comes with this WordPress as default, so you can choose like this. So you can choose if you want to show avatar or not. Okay, so if I want to show avatar suitable for audience, possibly offensive usually for audience 13 and above, and for audience above 17, even more and mature than above. Whatever, you can choose any of thing. So like if there is mystery person like he have not created is what you can say the account on your website, it will be shown like this. If you want to show something other than this, you can choose that also, and you can click on save changes. That's all about discussion tab. Let's go to media tab. So we have already gone with the media tab. If you have not to watch that video, make sure to watch it. I will be giving a link over here. Okay, so basically the size listed below determine the maximum dimension in pixel to use when adding an image to media library. So you can set the maximum thumbnail size, crop thumbnail to exact dimension. You can choose medium size, you can choose so you have to set the sizes, otherwise leave it as it is. Okay, it doesn't matter. Uploading files organized my upload into month, year. So basically it will be automatically what you can say organized into months, years when it is uploaded with the name and each and everything. Okay, so don't worry about it. So that's about media setting. Let's go to permalinks. Okay, so basically permalink is very important. Okay, so whenever you start creating a website or a blog, okay, so basically the custom structure will be like this: your website domain name and the year, the month, and the post name. Okay, but what I suggest you is do with post name. Why? Because there is a very high chance that your website, this the blog or the article will rank, because it is carrying only the keyword which you wanted to rank for. So I go with post name. You can go with plain, you can go with day and name, you can go with month and name, you can go numeric, you can go post name, you can create your own. Like the default is the custom structure only, but I go with post name. Okay, you can use the tags. Okay, optional. If you like, you may enter custom structure for your category and tag URL here. For example, using topic as your category base would make your category links like this. If you leave this blank, the default will be used. So you can use that also, but I highly suggest go with post name. Okay, so that's it with for permalink setting. Let's go to privacy. Now, so you have to create a privacy page, write a privacy all clauses, like what are the exactly your privacy policy thing, how you use the user data, how you manage it, how you keep it, do you use it for like one what you can say to sell it, do you sell it to some other third party, or how do you use it, or how do you manage it, what are the when you delete it, this all you have to mention it in the privacy policy. However, with the new WordPress installation, when you install the WordPress website, it will automatically create a privacy policy page. But however, you have to go inside the privacy policy page and edit each and everything, like according to your need, according to your policy, according to your terms and conditions. Okay, so you can change the privacy policy page, you can create a new page, and yeah, that's all about privacy policy page. So we are almost done with the settings tab, and we are actually done with each and every tab on the dashboard, each and every option here. So we learned how to create a website, we learned how to get a custom domain name, and if you have not watched how to create your first website, I already given the what we can the information tab, so make sure to watch that video, which we learned how to configure your custom domain name with your web hosting. We uh, we learned each and every tab on the WordPress dashboard. Okay, how we learned how to customize your WordPress website front end, and this is the starting. We will be going to create more websites in the upcoming future. So for today and for now, we are done with the WordPress thing. Okay, so in the next video, we will most probably focusing on digital marketing, uh, any digital marketing topic. We have not yet decided, but we'll see in the next video. So I hope that you like this video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And take care. Bye bye.